Did you know that when birds flock together, they can change direction almost instantly, as if guided by an unseen force? Watching them in flight is like witnessing a beautifully choreographed dance in the sky. But what if there's more to it than meets the eye? What if these flocks carry a message just for us? Flocking birds have fascinated humans for centuries. They soar in unison, embodying freedom, resilience, and unity. Beyond their mesmerizing movement, these flocks have deep spiritual significance. They remind us of the interconnectedness of life, symbolizing the powerful bonds of community, the guidance of intuition, and the freeing of the spirit. Today, we'll dive into the spiritual meaning behind this extraordinary phenomenon and uncover the hidden lessons these birds may hold for us. Many of us watch birds flocking with a sense of awe, but most people think it's simply for survival or protection. While there's truth in that, limiting the meaning of flocking to just physical instincts overlooks something important. Often we brush past nature's mysteries, reducing them to cold scientific facts. But if we stop to really observe, we might see that there's more at play, a rich spiritual dimension that can inspire us and guide us. What could these synchronized flights reveal about our own journeys? The phenomenon of flocking has roots in myths and spiritual traditions across cultures. In Native American beliefs, flocks of birds represent unity and the power of community, reminding us that strength lies in togetherness. In some Asian cultures, birds flocking before a journey is considered a sacred sign of protection and safe passage. And in many spiritual practices, seeing a flock of birds is said to be a powerful omen, symbolizing divine guidance. These interpretations invite us to see these birds not as random elements of nature, but as messengers bearing timeless wisdom. In ancient Greek mythology, for example, birds flocking was seen as a divine intervention. The gods were believed to send birds to guide people through hard times, helping them find purpose and clarity. Similarly, in Celtic traditions, birds were thought to carry the spirit of loved ones, guiding those still on Earth. These cultures recognized the profound spiritual messages that flocking birds could hold, messages that we, too, might find valuable in our modern lives. So what is the deepest insight we can draw from flocking birds? Perhaps it's that these birds embody a pure form of trust. Trust in each other, in their journey, and in the world around them. Their instinctual unity reminds us to trust our own path, to lean on our inner compass. By observing them, we're invited to connect with our own intuition and find our flock, our community, our purpose, and the people who help us soar. Just as these birds fly in harmony, so can we find our rhythm, aligning with the flow of life and embracing the natural guidance all around us. Flocking birds aren't just a marvel of nature, they're a symbol of how we can walk our path with grace, purpose, and unity. In witnessing flocks of birds, we're reminded of the power of connection, intuition, and the journey we all share. Flocking birds teach us about unity and resilience, offering a glimpse into the unseen forces that guide life. By opening our eyes and hearts to their meaning, we're encouraged to find our own path, our own rhythm, and our own community. Have you ever had a personal experience with flocking birds that left a lasting impact? Share your story in the comments below. And if you're curious about more signs and symbols in nature, be sure to check out our next video on spiritual messages from the natural world. Together, let's keep exploring the mysteries that connect us all.